Welcome back to the channel, Rusty Dirty Tool Fanciers. Today I have a Crusty paint and putty encrusted Hyde 2S 1 1/4 inch putty knife. I don't remember where I got this thing. I believe it was in a toolbox from a yard sale where I purchased the whole toolbox, but I don't remember for sure. I feel kind of sorry for it, so let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. I tried soaking it in mineral spirits for a while and using another putty knife to remove the gunk all over it, but that was pretty time consuming and it didn't really work all that well. I tried a few different solvents trying to get the stuff off of the putty knife. Here I'm trying some alcohol, but that didn't work either. Finally, it dawned on me this is what I should have done in the first place. Use some good old citrus strip and strip all that paint and putty and stuff off of there without a problem. I wrapped it up and left it overnight, and it came out looking pretty good the next day. I really like citrus strip because you can use it inside. It doesn't really have an unpleasant odor at all, and it works as good as any stripper I've ever tried before. I assume this hole in the handle is for hanging. It's full of gunk and crud, so I'm going to clean that out now. So I'm starting to prep the blade and handle here for some polishing. I hope you'll indulge me for a short channel update. I'm still recovering from an injury as a result of a fall I had about 6 weeks ago. I'm finally starting to show a little bit of improvement, so it might be a little bit longer in between videos, but I have quite a few, I think, interesting projects lined up, so I hope you'll stick with me until then. So with that, let's get back to this thrilling and action-packed episode. At this point, things are going along pretty well, but then I make a rookie mistake and disaster strikes.
Go!
Unfortunately, there is not an undo button for this situation. Unfortunately, this can't be fixed, but I'm going to try to mitigate the damage as much as possible with some black shoe polish. And once that is done, we shall never speak of this incident again. And now for a coating of Mother's California Gold cleaner wax. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope we both learned something from my mistake, and I hope you enjoyed this cleanup of a Hyde Putty Knife. So, until next time, thank you for watching.